subscribe for daily quizzes, and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some general knowledge psychology trivia. What is the scientific study of behavior called? Is it A, anthropology, B, psychology, C, neuroscience, or D, sociology? The correct answer is B, psychology. Who proposed the hierarchy of needs? Is it A, Sigmund Freud, B, Carl Rogers, C, B.F. Skinner, or D, Abraham Maslow? The correct answer is D, Abraham Maslow. Which therapy focuses on changing negative thoughts? Is it A, humanistic therapy, B, exposure therapy, C, behavioral therapy, or D, cognitive therapy? The correct answer is D, cognitive therapy. What disorder is characterized by extreme mood swings? Is it A, schizophrenia, B, depression, C, anxiety disorder, or D, bipolar disorder? The correct answer is D, bipolar disorder. What term describes the mental shortcut in reasoning? Is it A, fallacy, B, heuristic, C, algorithm, or D, bias? The correct answer is B, heuristic. Which psychological principle explains memory retention? Is it A, recency effect, B, cognitive dissonance, C, primacy effect, or D, spacing effect? The correct answer is D, spacing effect. Who developed the theory of psychosexual stages? Is it A, Erik Erikson, B, Carl Jung, C, Ivan Pavlov, or D, Sigmund Freud? The correct answer is D, Sigmund Freud. What is the term for an involuntary automatic response? Is it A, reflex, B, instinct, C, reaction, or D, conditioned response? The correct answer is A, reflex. Which part of the brain is associated with emotions? Is it A, occipital lobe, B, frontal lobe, C, amygdala, or D, cerebellum? The correct answer is C, amygdala. What is the term for the inability to form new memories? Is it A, memory retention issue, B, memory loss disorder, C, anterograde amnesia, or D, retrograde amnesia? The correct answer is C, anterograde amnesia. Which personality theory includes the big five traits? Is it A, trait theory, B, social cognitive theory, C, five-factor model, or D, psychodynamic theory? The correct answer is C, five-factor model. Which type of therapy focuses on social interactions? Is it A, art therapy, B, cognitive therapy, C, play therapy, or D, interpersonal therapy? The correct answer is D, interpersonal therapy. What mental condition involves intense fear of social situations? Is it A, social anxiety disorder, B, generalized anxiety, C, PTSD, or D, agoraphobia? The correct answer is A, social anxiety disorder. Which term refers to the tendency to favor oneself? Is it A, optimism bias, self-serving bias, C, confirmation bias, or D, egocentric bias? The correct answer is B, self-serving bias. What is the term for conditioned response removal? Is it A, extinction, B, habituation, C, desensitization, or D, reinforcement? The correct answer is A, extinction. Who is famous for the concept of the collective unconscious? Is it A, Abraham Maslow, B, Sigmund Freud, C, Carl Jung, or D, B.F. Skinner? The correct answer is C, Carl Jung. What type of memory involves facts and events? Is it A, explicit memory, B, working memory, C, implicit memory, or D, sensory memory? The correct answer is A, explicit memory. What is the psychological term for fear of spiders? Is it A, herpetophobia, B, entomophobia, C, arachnophobia, or D, cynophobia? The correct answer is C, arachnophobia. Which psychologist introduced the concept of operant conditioning? Is it A, Ivan Pavlov, B, B.F. Skinner, C, Sigmund Freud, or D, Carl Jung? The correct answer is B, B.F. Skinner. What brain imaging technique measures blood flow? Is it A, CT scan, B, EEG, C, fMRI, or D, PET scan? The correct answer is C, fMRI. Which disorder is characterized by compulsive behaviors? Is it A, PTSD, phobia, C, obsessive-compulsive disorder, or D, anxiety disorder? The correct answer is C, obsessive-compulsive disorder. What technique is used to treat phobias through gradual exposure? Is it A, flooding, B, aversion therapy, C, systematic desensitization, or D, cognitive reframing? The correct answer is C, systematic desensitization. Who is known for research in developmental psychology? Is it A, Abraham Maslow, B, Jean Piaget, C, Sigmund Freud, or D, B.F. Skinner? The correct answer is B, Jean Piaget. What is the term for the brain's tendency to perceive patterns? Is it A, cognitive dissonance, B, pareidolia, C, apophenia, or D, synesthesia? The correct answer is C, apophenia. What psychological disorder involves a loss of identity? Is it A, dissociative fugue, B, dissociative identity disorder, C, amnesia, or D, psychotic disorder? The correct answer is A, dissociative fugue. What is the primary focus of humanistic psychology? Is it A, psychoanalytic therapy, B, behavior modification, C, personal growth, or D, cognitive restructuring? The correct answer is C, personal growth. Which type of research method involves manipulating variables? Is it A, case studies, B, observations, C, surveys, or D, experiments? The correct answer is D, experiments. What principle is used in understanding the placebo effect? Is it A, expectancy effect, B, neurotransmitter imbalance, C, random assignment, or D, causation theory? The correct answer is A, expectancy effect. Which childhood disorder is characterized by inattention and hyperactivity? Is it A, ADHD, B, autism, C, dyslexia, or D, AD? The correct answer is ADHD. Who is the psychologist associated with social learning theory? Is it A, B.F. Skinner, B, Sigmund Freud, C, Albert Bandura, or D, Carl Rogers? The correct answer is C, Albert Bandura. What term describes a persistent irrational fear? Is it A, fear condition, B, anxiety disorder, C, phobia, or D, panic reaction? The correct answer is C, phobia. What is the term for the body's stress response? Is it A, fight or flight response, B, rest and recovery, C, relaxation response, or D, calm and comfort mode? The correct answer is A, fight or flight response. Which therapist developed rational emotive behavior therapy? Is it A, Carl Rogers, B, Albert Ellis, C, Sigmund Freud, or D, Aaron Beck? The correct answer is B, Albert Ellis. Which cognitive bias involves reliance on the first piece of information? Is it A, Dunning-Kruger effect, B, confirmation bias, C, hindsight bias, or D, anchoring bias? The correct answer is D, anchoring bias. What concept involves the absence of emotional response? Is it A, nonchalance, B, indifference, C, apathy, or D, sympathy? The correct answer is C, apathy. Which group of disorders includes schizophrenia? Is it A, psychotic disorders, B, mood disorders, C, personality disorders, or D, anxiety disorders? The correct answer is A, psychotic disorders. What is the method to assess personality via ink blots? Is it A, draw a person test, B, Myers-Briggs type indicator, C, thematic apperception test, or D, Rorschach test? The correct answer is D, Rorschach test. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.